We were very satisfied with pretty much everything about the project, and everything was on schedule. The time it took to do the job was very much timely. The fellows worked actually maybe quite quickly because it was rain threatening. So they got all the new units in on the outside first and then finished the work inside, by which time it actually was raining. So the men that were here actually did a very good job in working with the windows as well as the weather. So we were quite pleased with that. Basically, initially from some advertising, and then after an in-face discussion with the Paradise salesperson, we talked about everything, the kind of windows we could get, and of course prices, and it all ended up being in the ballpark that I sort of expected it to be, and as a result we decided right from that in-face sales meeting that we'd go ahead and do the job.